Nepal is an adventurer's paradise. With its striking panoramic views and rich history, it's easy to see why travelers are flocking to Nepal faster than ever before.
Whoa! That's on camera.
As a travel journalist and photographer, the most memorable moments are when I get off the beaten path of tourism and learn more about the local community. I am always searching for a way to immerse myself in the culture, get to know the locals, and learn more about their day-to-day life. It's quite a hike to get to this house that we're building. Here in Nepal, I've teamed up with Fairfield Marriott and Habitat for Humanity to build a home for a family who lost theirs in the devastating 2015 earthquake. In this small rural village just outside of Kathmandu, I expected to build a home. What I didn't expect was to be invited into this community and family with open arms.
Amendra just told me that the original house is actually right nearby, the one that was damaged in the earthquake. So he's gonna take me to go see it. These houses have been built since the earthquake as a temporary shelter, but they're not really up to great living standards, which is why Habitat is helping them to build a new home.
These two houses are temporary shelters built by the two brothers, and the original house is stood here.
Seeing the destruction firsthand was difficult, but the ability to help one family in one small way was priceless. That's the thing about these off-the-beaten-path moments. They're always filled with the best surprises.